Uh, Good everyone. I'm here and I'm DJ Kentro. We're back again. Today's topic, I'll be taking you through how to export your recorded mix playlist from Serato so you can add it down to your YouTube or any other platform from Serato itself. So let's get into it. After you've done your mixes, you come back to your Serato. Make sure you're connected to the internet. So you hit your history. Down within your history menu, you scroll down and look for your particular mix, the particular mix you wish to transfer or you wish to get your playlist from. For me, I've just done this mix some days back, so I have to select and cross-check if these are the actual tracks I played during that mixtape. Yes, haven't done that. Now you see here within this format, you have to choose the format at which you want. For me, preferably, I choose the Serato playlist. It's more authentic, more professional. So what you do is, having selected this Serato playlist, you click the export button and it gives you a notification about if you want to continue, you just hit yes. And what you get next, it takes you down straight to your Serato account on your browser where you can now see your playlist. This is the playlist here is dated DJ Kentro because that's my file name on Serato page. So you continue. When you hit continue, you wait for it to load up, then it will display your entire playlist. So this is the playlist here. So what you just do, highlight your time and tracks. For MacBook users, you just hit your keyboard Command C, while for Windows users, you hit Control C to copy. Then go to whatever platform you want, and voila, you paste, and that's it. For me, I'm putting it on my notepad so I can check if there is any correction. That's it. You have your tracks, you have your playlist. That's it. So we'll meet again next time. If you have any difficulty, please put it down on the description or put it down in the comment section. And trust me, I promise to reply to you as soon as possible. Until we meet again next time, keep being the best.